Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Travelog. Yes, today we'll talk about sunglass. In my hand, this is Quechua MH910. So I have the pack with me. So this is the box and this is mentioned like Cat 4 and Cat 2. So what is this Cat 4 and Cat 2? If you visit any of the sports showroom, you can see lot of sunglass. So how it is categorized and how can you select a better sunglass for your next trip? Let's check it out. It is categorized into 5 types: Cat 0, Cat 1, Cat 2, Cat 3 and Cat 4. Based on the percentage of 2 main factors, we arrived these categories. One is VLT, visual light transmission, that is our normal light passes through the lens. Second one is UV, ultraviolet rays, that everyone knows. So let's go to the first category, Cat 0. Cat 0. In this, UV VLT ratio will be like 80:100. That means 80% of UV and 100% of visual light pass through this lens. Safety glass, which comes under these categories. The material used is polycarbonate, which is lightweight and rigid. Let's check it out the second category, Cat 1. Cat 1. In this, UV VLT ratio will be like 46:79. That means 46% of UV and 79% of VLT will pass through the lens. Normally, these lenses are used for casual purpose or fashion eyewear. There are 2 material which is used for this lens. One is acrylic, another one is NHT polyurethane. Acrylics is very low quality material. I have an example. This is the acrylic lenses or the glass. Please do not use these glasses for your mountain activities. And NHT polyurethane, which is very expensive, and the brand like Ray-Ban, Smith Optics, iKing, they will use NHT polyurethane for their lens and it's very expensive. Let's check it out. Next category, Cat 2. Cat 2. Here the UV-VL ratio is 18:45. As we know that 18% of UV and 45% of VL can pass through the lens. These lenses are used for general purpose. For example, if you are going to watch a cricket match or a football match on the stadium, you can use this lens. So it means that you need less shade. So here I have the Cat 2 lens and you can see the color tint. Almost all sunglass looks tint color because it's a neutral color. So it's a combination of green and grey. Material used for this lens are NHT polyurethane or polycarbonate. Let's check it out our next category, Cat 3. Yes, here the UV-VL ratio is 8:17%. It is much darker than the above all categories. If you are going for a trekking or hiking, or generally we can say all the open mountain range activities, you can use this sunglass. Material used here mostly polycarbonate. Let's check it out our last category, Cat 4. This will be much darker than the above all other categories. Here the UV-VL ratio is 3:8%. So here this is the Cat 4 sunglass, and if you're going for a high altitude trekking and mountaineering, you have to use this sunglass. please do not use the sunglass while driving. Additional to this, there are one more topic called polarized sunglass. Lens will be applied with a special chemical that can filter light. Light from the sun hit to an object is the vertical light, and the reflected light from the object is the horizontal light. Polarized lens will cut down the horizontal light, and it can help us to see the object clearly. For example, for the activities such as fishing or ice climbing, the glare from the water or ice can damage our eye. So polarized lens will cut down the glare and protect our eye. I hope this video will give you an understand about different types of sunglasses and their usage. Now you can buy a proper sunglasses for your next trip. Have a good and safe journey. Thank you.